Hey guys, and welcome back to Rose Tinted. So today's video is a quick, fuss-free mummy makeup tutorial. So first things first, let's get rid of the hair. So to help my crocodile skin, I'm going to put on a moisturizer, and today I'm using the L'Oreal Hydrogenius Aloe Water, and I'm just going to warm this up between my hands, and then I'm going to smooth it all over my face to make the perfect base for makeup. So because my skin is far from perfect, I need layers. So starting off with a stick foundation from Bourjois that has a light to medium coverage and it lasts all day once you set it. Blending, 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 blending. My favourite layer is next, and today I'm using the Rimmel Wake Me Up Concealer in the shade Ivory, I believe, and I pretty much put this everywhere, focusing mainly on those Chanel bags. Now it's time to set this mediocre attempt at beautifying, so Rimmel Stay Matte Powder is about to seal it all in. Then we have some sleek contour powder just under my cheekbones and down my nose, which helps me to think I've put a little bit of extra work into looking that little bit better. And to add a little more warmth and a little bit of glow, I'm dusting my Bourjois bronzer all over my face. Popping on a touch of blush for that pinched cheek look, and this is from a Trio W7 palette. I can't remember when I got this, but it definitely should probably be in the bin. We have the glow, now let's add some bling using my champagne highlighter from Revolution. And I'm just placing this along the cheekbones, brow bones, cupid's bow, and a little bit down my nose. Now we're going to hide these lockdown brows with what may as well be a Sharpie at this point. So as a time saver for eyeshadow, I'm just going to use a little bit of my bronzer and I'm just going to pop that through the crease to add a little bit of definition. And then of course some more blending, because it's all about the blending. like the rest of my life, I'm now going to wing it. And I love a good cat eye, so let's just go for it. Watching this back, I really wish I could do a winged eyeliner this quickly. Now it's time to layer up some mascara and attempt to create some baby doll lashes. See, I told you it's all about the layers with me. I'm aware this clip looks a bit odd, but let's just get over it. Let's just let it go. And lastly, I'm going for a lip liner and lip gloss combo. I love this as a quick and easy process for a high impact look. I feel like it's quite recent for me to have come out of the matte lip phase and gone straight for the gloss. I was obviously attempting some mummy glam because I managed to create 5 minutes to straighten my hair, and I'm so glad that I did. So this is my before and after. This makeup look takes 10 minutes and it's fuss free. Perfect for mums on the go. So short and sweet, but that is everything for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe down below, and don't forget to press the bell button so that you're notified every time I make a new video. Until next time, bye guys!